This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. Today in this video we will write a program to calculate the distance covered by a car moving at an average speed of v ms minus 1 in time t. The program should input average speed and time. Now we will use input statement to get the values for v and t. So now we're gonna make a program in basic GW basic language. So here we are, viewers. Now we're gonna develop the program. So we will type at line number 10 CLS command used to clear the counters on the screen, and line 20 we will type input and then put a double quotes and type enter the value of v, which is v is the variable name, and we have discussed earlier that whatever is mentioned with the double quotes within the double quotes and used with the input statement will be displayed as it is on the output screen, and this v will be used as a variable to store the value of distance. At line number 30 we will type input again, enter the value of t, time, and then we'll use a variable named t to store the value of time, and at line number 40 we'll type s is equal to v into t. So here you can see that there's a left hand side an equal to sign, and the calculation is being done between v and t, and then arithmetic operator asterisk is used between them. So this whole formula operation at the right hand side will be stored to the left hand side variable name s. So we're gonna display the value of s. So we'll at line number 50 we'll type print and type value of s is, now we'll type semicolon instead of comma, because if you type comma over here then you can have a bigger space margin, but we need a smaller space margin. So we'll type semicolon and then press and then type the s, because we would like to display the value of s, which is the calculation of v multiplied by t, which is the value of the distance. So s is denoted as distance, and speed is denoted by v, and time is denoted by t. Line number 60 we'll type and and now we're gonna save this program. So we'll press the F4 key, and then we will type distance dist.bas, the name of the program, goes in the double quotes, and now we would like to load it. So we'll press the F3 key, and now we'll type dist.bas, and now we'll press the F2 key to run the program. So we'll type 5 as a speed and 10 as a time, and so the product of these two values will be 50. So here the value of s 50 means the distance covered by the car is 50. So that's all for today. And we have learned this program in this video. And if we are supposed to give an example to explain the use of comma and semicolon, because it's very important to notice, so we are gonna make another program for it. So here we are. We will like to give an example, so we will write a program to give an example to explain the use of comma and semicolon with print statement. So basically a comma divides the screen into 5 zones, whereas semicolon places one space between the values. So here we are. Now we'll type this program to give the example of using comma and semicolon in GW basic programming language for understanding comma. So we'll type line number 10, we'll type SCLS, line number 20 we'll type RAM program to with comma is the name of the remark we're gonna give over here for this program. Line number 30 we'll type A is equal to 5, and line number 40 we'll type B is equal to 10. Line number 50 we'll type C is equal to, or you can type sum is equal to A plus B. And line number 60 we'll type print A comma B comma sum. And then line number 70 we'll type end, and then we'll save this program, press the F4 key, and then we'll type comma dot BAS. We'll press the F3 key and then type comma dot BAS, and here we'll press the F2 key to run this. So viewers, you can see that there's 5 zones. Screen is divided into 5 zones, so you can see there's a marginal difference between 5, 10, 15, which is the value of A, B and sum. Likewise, if we make a program for understanding the concept of using semicolon in GW's programming language, so we'll at line number 10 we'll type CLS, at line number 20 we'll type RAM and type program with semicolon, and here we will use this symbol of semicolon. Line number 30 we'll type A again is equal to 5. Line number 40 we'll type B is equal to 10. Likewise, line number 50 we'll type sum is equal to A plus B, and line number 60 we'll type print A semicolon B semicolon sum. Line number 70 we'll type E and D end, and now we're gonna save it, so we'll press the F4 key and type the name semicolon dot BAS. Again we'll load it and we'll type F3 key, and we'll press the F3 key and then type semicolon dot BAS. Now we'll press the F2 key to run this program. So we can see that there's only one place difference, one place space between A5, B10 and sum 15. So that's all for today, viewers, and thanks for watching my video.